Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal using your microwave, an easy guide for a quick and healthy meal. First, select the right oats. Regular rolled oats work best, offering a great texture. Measure 1/2 cup of oats and combine them with 1 cup of water or milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Make sure your bowl is large enough, at least 2 cups capacity, to prevent any messy overflows during cooking. This simple start sets you up for perfect oatmeal. Now, let's get cooking. Place your bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 1 to 2 minutes. It's crucial to watch it closely, especially during the last 30 seconds, to avoid it boiling over. Once the initial cooking is done, carefully remove the bowl and give the oatmeal a good stir. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can microwave it for an additional 30 seconds, but always keep an eye on it. This step ensures even cooking. After cooking, the next important step is to let your oatmeal rest. Allow it to sit for about 2 minutes. During this brief resting period, the oats will continue to absorb any remaining liquid, which helps them thicken beautifully and achieve that wonderfully creamy texture we all love. This pause is essential for the perfect consistency. For future batches, you can easily adjust the amount of liquid to make your oatmeal exactly as thick or thin as you prefer. Experiment to find your ideal. Finally, it's time to make your oatmeal truly yours. This is where the fun begins with customization. Feel free to add your favorite toppings: fresh berries, sliced bananas, a handful of nuts, or a drizzle of maple syrup or honey are all fantastic choices. A tiny pinch of salt can also surprisingly enhance the natural flavors of the oats. Enjoy your warm, comforting, and perfectly personalized bowl of oatmeal. It's a quick, nutritious, and satisfying meal, ready in just minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.